talk to you guys right now because I have class at 11 a.m. in person. But it's 9:50 and I'm just eating breakfast and haven't gotten ready yet and need to walk to campus, so. Oh my god, I'm so tired. I went from, this is progress though, I went from waking up at 1 p.m. to 9 a.m. So now my goal is to get down to 8 a.m. And it's a beautiful sunny day out. So, but it's cold. But you know what? Those are some of the best days. Cold, but sunny. But yeah, I'm gonna eat my breakfast and then go to class and spend all day on campus. That's why I'm having a big breakfast. I really don't have the facilities right now to be buying lunch every day after class, so no. And I am just gonna relax, and I have class tomorrow in the morning. When I tell you I've never had a week as busy as this one, Believe me. Actually don't. But it still was a very, very, very busy week. I have been out every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And your girl is exhausted. But I definitely will say that first week of term 2 was a success. If you asked me last week if I was motivated and ready for term 2, I would have said, hell no. Because I was so unmotivated. All I wanted to do was lay in my bed and watch Netflix. And if anything, I feel the opposite of that right now. Despite having such an exhausting week, I feel very motivated in this term to do well, to be productive, and I feel ready. I probably will regret saying this in the future because I know when it will get very assignment heavy, I will want to sleep and not do anything. But as of right now, I feel very motivated, surprisingly. A very busy week. I went to dinner on Monday with a friend. Tuesday I had in-person lecture. Wednesday I had in-person lecture. Thursday I had a project that was due, so I was working on that at campus Tuesday and Wednesday. And today, Friday, I had lecture in the morning, and then I got my usual, you know, Pret subscription and all. First month is for free, so I'm just gonna take full advantage of that before I cancel it next month. And yeah, my program had a lunch. On my way back home, I got distracted by Waterstones and bought a book that I thought was on sale, but it was actually excluded from the sale, so I paid full price. And I shouldn't be doing that right now because I've just been spending too much money on food this week. So do I regret it? No, because it's a book I've been wanting for a long time, so it's a way to reward myself, reward myself for this first week. I literally turned in a project this week. I've been on top of my readings. I've been motivated. I've been in the zone. I went to campus almost every day this week. I've been productive. And I also had a chance to read the book that I'm currently reading, which is this one. It's like a cute, lighthearted read. It's something that I need right now. I don't need anything heavy. So highly recommend if you want something lighthearted. But the book I bought from Waterstones, a very popular book, probably why it wasn't on sale. I also bought another book from Daunt Books, which I still need to read. This was also, Sunset by Jessie Cave. This was also on my Goodreads list. Want to read for a while now. It's about two sisters. That is the most brief summary I can give you. But yeah, I'm excited for all of these books. Tell me that's not satisfying. Okay, so this is my logic around the way that I set up my books. These two I've read, so this is in the order of I've read first, I finished first, then this one, and then this is starting from top to here on what I will read in order. So, Beach Read I'm currently reading that I want to read, Never Let Me Go afterwards, Sunset, the Alan Watts book, and then this massive chunky one. At the end, I might honestly read these two together. I can sometimes read books at the same time if they're different genres, because this is huge, so it'll probably take me a while. Highly recommend this one. This one's cute and lighthearted. Cute, lighthearted. Then I'll give you updates on these.